Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. Proper upkeep is crucial to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your device. Let's dive into the essential steps you need to follow. First, gather the necessary tools. A Phillips screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver. A soft brush or cloth. A vacuum cleaner's filter cleaning tool, if available. A small bowl for screws. Now, let's start by removing the dust canister. Press the canister release button, and carefully lift it away from the main body. This will allow you to clear any accumulated dust and debris. Next, take your soft brush and clean the internal components of the dust canister. Make sure to get into the corners and crevices. If you find it particularly dirty, rinse it under warm water and let it dry completely before reassembling it. While you have the canister out, it's a good time to check the filter. The Dyson HD01 has a washable filter, which should be cleaned every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. Remove the filter by twisting it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents. Let the filter air dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. Now, let's focus on the brush bar. Over time, hair and other debris can wrap around the brush. To access it, you'll need to unscrew the brush bar cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to place the screws in a small bowl to avoid losing them. Once the cover is off, gently pull out the brush bar. Use your fingers or a pair of scissors to remove any tangled hair or debris. This step is crucial to maintain suction power. After cleaning, replace the brush bar and reattach the cover, securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. If you find that your vacuum still isn't functioning effectively, it may be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer convenient pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Next, let's check the hose for blockages. Detach the hose from the vacuum and inspect it for any clogs. You can use a long object, like a broom handle, to gently push out any blockages. Remember to clean the hose thoroughly with a soft cloth to keep it clear. Now, it's time to reassemble your Dyson HD01. After ensuring everything is clean and dry, reinsert the filter and canister, making sure they click securely into place. This is essential for proper operation. Finally, ensure that your vacuum is functioning properly by running it on a small area of carpet. If you notice any issues, we can provide a quote before repair to ensure you understand the costs involved. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the performance and lifespan of your Dyson HD01. If you prefer a hassle-free option, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring no calls or travel are necessary. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.